In this video we are going to talk about 5 animals with shortest lifespans. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. A little mouse on this list is considered a pest, and it is at risk of being destroyed wherever it chooses to make its permanent residence. In addition, it has a large number of natural predators. Each of the reptiles on this list has a natural life cycle that it must follow in order to keep its population thriving in Madagascar. Number 5. Dragonfly 4 months. It's possible that you've seen a dragonfly flying over the cattails of a lake or pond at some point in your life. This species of insect is distinguished by its vibrant colors and is intriguing to behold. Due to the fact that an adult dragonfly only lives for 4 months at a time, it is included in this list of the organisms with the shortest lifespan. Throughout their life cycle, dragonflies go through a series of transformations, starting as eggs and moving to nymphs and, ultimately, adulthood. After the eggs are put in the water, it takes roughly 1 week for them to hatch and the hatchlings to emerge. Number 4. Housefly 2 months. Houseflies can be found in any environment where humans are present. Why? This is the case with these creatures because they are attracted to the looks and smells of items that humans consume. Suddenly, they may find themselves on top of an overflowing garbage dumpster 1 minute, and the very next day, they may find themselves eating lunch while on vacation. Each step of a housefly's life cycle is represented by a different symbol. The egg, larva, pupa, and adult stages are all represented by the symbol. The eggs of the housefly hatch in less than 24 hours after they are placed. The larval stage lasts between 5 and 14 days, depending on the species. In the pupal stage, you will be awake for anywhere between 3 and 10 days. Number 3. Drone ant 3 weeks. A drone ant is not the same as the usual ant that you might come across on the sidewalk or in a flower pot. It is similar in appearance to a wasp in that it has wings and a large body. It is, however, an ant that is vital to the survival of its colony's population and hence deserves to be recognized as such. In the wild, drone ants are exclusively male in gender. This ant's life goal is to reproduce so that the colony's population can continue to grow and flourish. In fact, it is referred to as a reproductive ant in some circles. The beginning and end of the life cycle of this ant are separated by a 3-week span. Number 2. Fruit fly 2 weeks. Fruit flies are quite small, measuring about 1/8 of an inch in length on average. Gnats and other flies are difficult to recognize from one another, but their red eyes make them a little easier to differentiate from the rest of the group. They are attracted to the rotten fruit because it is rotting. Surprise, surprise, they begin to emerge in kitchens and houses at the same time that people begin to bring in their vegetables and fruits from their own backyard gardens. Only 14 days pass between the time of a fruit fly's conception and death. Fish, frogs, spiders, toads, and a variety of other species rely on the nutrients provided by fruit flies for their survival. When buzzing around a bowl of fruit, they can be a nuisance, but they have a crucial function to fulfill in the ecosystem. Number 1. Mayfly 24 hours. In North America, the mayfly is a little flying insect that can be found in and around bodies of water such as lakes, ponds, and streams. It is a member of the insect order Ephemeroptera, which means flying insects. The mere fact that it belongs to this order sheds light on why this insect is at the top of the list of those with a short lifespan. The word Ephemeroptera is derived from the Greek language and literally translates as short-lived. When a mayfly hatches from its egg, the rest of its life cycle begins. It is the eggs that are laid in the water that hatch within a few days of the eggs being laid. Mayfly nymphs hatch from their eggs and remain in the water for several days after they have emerged from the eggs. What do you think about our video? Please let us know in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from me again, please subscribe and turn on the notification before leaving. Thank you for watching us.